You eating your biscuit? Look at that mess. You are a mess. Is it good? Well, don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make Daddy give you a bath because you're so dirty. Yeah. Is that good? Is it good? You look like it's good. No, don't drop it. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Did you get it? Well, excuse me. Tell everybody you're going to be 8 months old tomorrow. 8 whole months. Yeah.